Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute, but we're not gonna spend time on that. Thank you guys for sticking around. I really appreciate it. So today's video, I'm just gonna jump right into it here, is going to be a 6 month. You guys know, I did my big chop around November last year. It's June when I'm posting this video, June 1st, so it's a little bit over the 6 months, maybe a week or two, and I got my first silk press yesterday. Of course, as fate would have it, the day when I get my first straightening experience as a naturalista is when I wake up to rain. Anywho, I have wrapped it since I've been home and I'm about to do the takedown, and I thought I would just share that with you guys, how the journey has been going so far, right? So pretty much you're supposed to avoid moisture, and if the air is humid and all of that, it can make your curls revert. Honestly, that's gonna be a task for me. Oh, and this is probably new to you as well, but if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I colored my hair. I also have cut my hair since, just because earlier on I thought that I didn't cut my hair because the ends were so coiled. I thought I didn't big chop properly, and so I went ahead and gave myself another, until, you know, I guess moisture touched my hair again. At that point I realized, oh yeah, that's not it. So this is the hair, this is what it's looking like. You can see, and this is the first time I'm attempting to take it down since I've been home from the hair dresser yesterday. I've been looking for a hairdresser that could do a silk press for the longest time, and I finally found one and decided to give them a chance. So there we go. This is what it's looking like. I like. So I got my hair pressed yesterday and I got a trim, and this is what it's looking like. As you can see, it's got a lot of life and a lot of bounce. I am so happy. Anywho, so yeah, if you yeah, so this is what it looks like. There will be more details on my journey, specifically on my blog. The link will be in the description box below. So how's it been going so far? Honestly, I am struggling. I'm exactly the kind of natural I thought I was, which is that I can't manage my hair. I really can't. Physically, it's very demanding, and most of the times I'm either wearing braids or I'm in some big granny twists or plaits, just going about my business. I got this wrap recently. It's now been my go-to to just throw it on and go. My hair is thick and my curl pattern is not uniform at all, so it makes it very, very, very difficult to keep my hair detangled. So even if I detangle, if it's out and about after maybe an hour, 2 hours, it is going to start to, the kinks aren't uniform at all. The curl pattern are not uniform at all. You have this part curl, that part straight, this part curl, that part goes so, and I can see how being left on its own, it is, you know, it's going to tangle. It does, it gets really tangled. I didn't know hair could do that. I thought you had a pattern. I understand that I had different textures, but all of it, that's something that's been uniform. The curl pattern in a single strand varies, and it makes my hair extremely tangle prone. What else? I don't use a lot of product. I'm still that way. I didn't like a lot of product in my hair when I was relaxed, and I still don't like it now. Yeah, so I mostly wear braids. I haven't done anything except, you know, worn braids a few times, and my hair is thick. It is very dense, and the curls are, like I mentioned before, not only is the curl pattern weird, it's also it has a lot of elasticity, so it's extremely springy. Even when I got my hair colored, it lightened my hair a bit, which was great because it made it a little bit more manageable. And see, I thought it was just me, but I went to a hairdresser when I was doing this, and I'm just watching the girl struggle, and I'm like, oh yeah, girl, so it's not just me, you professional, you out here struggling too. That's okay. Another hairdresser eventually came in and rescued us, and she handled it much better. I guess she had a lot more experience, but I knew it was a challenge. Like, going in there, I knew my hair was a challenge. I also was very skeptical about, you know, just going to anybody to straighten my hair, because I didn't want my curl pattern damaged. So I wanted to get it straightened, but I still wanted to be careful about that. And there aren't a lot of salons that I see around Kingston, Jamaica, where they advertise that, yeah, they do silk presses, and then when you go on their page, you see people with 4B, 4C hair type. They're typically showing off, you know, looser curl patterns, and I just feel like, all right, you can do that, but can you do mine? All right, anyway, this page came up on my TikTok, and I decided, all right, you know what? I see them do a silk press on somebody that is 4C. They look like they know what they're doing, you know what I'm saying? So I made an appointment and went there and got it done yesterday, and I am so happy. So happy. I can't tell you. It feels a little bit, you know, like in some places like it might be trying to go back. This is after a day, you could tell. In some places it does look like, hey, I'm trying to get back to my original, you know, pattern, but it looks nice. It feels good. I miss this. This is like, it's almost enough like of a call to maybe get me back to the creamy crack. But for now, I'm still going. For now, I'm really enjoying the versatility of having, you know, straight hair and then going back to my curls. So not just yet. I'm really enjoying this. What did I hate to get out of, you know, the silk press? I wanted two things. One, see where my hair is at in terms of growth. I think this is pretty good for, you know, a year and 6 months, because I transitioned for a year first. For a year and 6 months worth of growth, I think this is a lot of hair. I'm pretty happy with it. But I also wanted to know, like, how long this is gonna last. How long is this baby going to last? I promised updates on my Instagram and on my TikTok. So if you're not following me there, go ahead and do that. Actually, TikTok might get it before Instagram, but I did say, a lot of people asked me on TikTok, and I did say that I would update them as to how long this lasts. I'm a little bit scared just because, like I said, I woke up this morning and there was rain, and I don't have the luxury of avoiding it. So I wrap it up and make my moves, but at the same time, you know, it's kind of like, how long am I gonna get away with that for? Hopefully the rain goes away and everything happens as it's supposed to happen, and I'll have a good idea of how long this can last. As to where I got it done, I did tag them on my Instagram, so go over there and check out my post if you want to get your health suppressed as well. You know, I like share the good things there. If you don't know, you know, I typically really like to share when I make good finds. It's a lot of what I do on my blog and a lot of what you will see here too. I like to share good finds, so just keep up with me on the socials, and I'm always sharing the good things then, because why not? Yeah. Anyways, guys, this was my little update, and let us hope it doesn't take me too long to come back and post another video, but this is where we are at. And that's why you're not really getting any videos on my hair. To be honest, I'm not good at it. You don't need to see me floundering around here like a fish, okay? I'm not good at it. I can say that. And so I keep it in braids, and when I'm not in braids, it's not too cute to look at. So I hope you enjoyed this update. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, go ahead and leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at millennialmom.life. I'm the same name on TikTok, and everywhere else I'm Shandean Reid. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.